Hello guys, good evening to all. We'll wait for 2 minutes. We'll let people join. Then we'll start. Okay, so hi guys. Good evening to all. I hope सबको मेरी आवाज आ रही है. Am I audible? Guys, can you hear me? Please write a yes or no. Okay. Yes, sir, audible. Chalo, great. So let's start now. Yesterday we did blood relations, we did coding, decoding, and we have done partially direction sense. Today we'll discuss one or two more questions on direction sense. Let's see the first one. This is the first one. Starting from a point P. See, I don't have actually that much time. We just have 2 more hours today. We have to finish some topics today. So please, let's try to understand it clearly, more clearly. Okay. So now I said starting from a point P, Sachin walked 20 meters south. This was P. He walked 20 meters south. He then turned left. South se left will be east. Yesterday only I told you. And walked 30 meters. Okay. Then he turned left and walked 30 meters. He then turned left again. Now from east, if you go left, you'll go to north and walk 20 meters. Okay. That means now he has come parallel to P because this was also 20. This is also 20. He again turned left and walked 40 meters. Now he is turning left because going towards west. So this was 30. He walked 10 more meters because he went 40 meters. So let's say this is Q. How far and in which direction is the point Q from P? So Q is 10 meters west. Answer so easy. Yes or no? So easy answer. All of you understood this? I hope so. It's a yes. Tell me. Yes, sir. Great. Okay, let's see one more question. The last question for today. For direction sense, not for the class. Okay, now it says Shashikant walks northwards. Okay, first he went north. After a while, he turns to his right. Now going north, he's turning right towards east and covers 2 kilometers. Okay, 2 kilometers towards east. Then he turns to his left. Okay, now he's going to east. What is his left? Again, north and covers a distance of 1 kilometer. So like this. Then he turned to left again, matlab towards west. Okay. In which direction is he moving now? Okay. So in which direction is he moving now? West, right? There, here distance was not required to calculate. We just need to calculate the direction. Is it easy? Yes or no? All of you understood this? Anyone has a doubt here? Great. Okay. Now let's come to some typical, not typical exactly, it's very easy, but people face some difficulties in understanding this seating arrangement. Okay. Because seating arrangement are of normally two types. One is linear, second is circular. Okay, linear and circular. So let's discuss one by one. Let me present my screen first. Whiteboard. Okay. Let's see. Now, linear. जब हम बात करें, linear means either they will be arranged in form of a row or they'll be arranged in the form of a column like this. People will be arranged, things will be arranged like this. For example, now if people are arranged, 5 people are arranged in a row, A, B, C, D, E, like this, facing north. A, B, C, D, E are facing north and arranged in a row. So this is the diagram. If they are facing north, this is left and this is right. So I can say B is to the left of C and D is to the right of C. Correct? Yes or no? Batao. If they are facing northwards, I can say B is to the left because this way is left and this way is right. Now if I change the direction, row only, but now if I say they are facing south, all are sitting ulta on the bench. A, B, C, D, E. Now what will happen? Now this will be your right. This will be your left. Imagine now I told you, just whenever you are sitting, just turn about and check using south direction. So now I'll tell B is to the right of C and D is to left of C. Dekho, position has changed. As soon as they are turning backwards, first they were facing north, now they're facing south. That means they have turned backwards. As soon as they turned backwards, the position changed. Now B became right instead of left and D became left instead of right. Is it clear? Anyone has a doubt here? Please tell me. Anyone who's facing any doubt? No doubt, sir. Okay, only Venkatesh is replying. Others are not there in the call. People, any doubt you're facing here? Yes, sir. Clear. Okay, great. So this was all about linear arrangement. Now second is circular arrangement. Circular arrangement is like this in a circle. Ab, if you are doing this in a circle, there are two options. This is the center. Either people will face towards the center like this. A, B, C, D, E. If they are like this, this is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. All of us know this, right? Clockwise matlab B to A and all, and anti-clockwise matlab like this. First case is they are facing towards the center. Case A, case 1. And case 2 is what? They are facing away from the center. So like this. B, A, C, D, E. Sorry. A, B, C, D, है ना? A, B, C, D, and E. Now here if I'll say, what will I say? If I am A, where is B to me? Batao. B is to the dash of A. B is to the dash of A. Jaldi batao. Right, left, any one of you. It will be either. कौन सा सही है, right या left? Imagine, now beta C, imagine you are A, you are facing rightwards. Where is B then? B is to the right of A. Yes, good one, Parth and Venkat. Subraja, did you understand? If you are facing like this is your right now. Beta, imagine if B, try to be A. Try to see yourself in place of A. Where will B be for you? On the right, and E is to the left. Use your hands to understand. In this case, what is happening? Now imagine you are A and you are facing outwards. Face outwards. Where is B? B is to the left of A. And where is E? E is to the right of A. Is it clear now? सबको ये बात समझ में आई? हाँ या ना? Did all of you understand the 4 points that we discussed? North, south, right, left in the 4 diagrams for linear and circular. Anyone has a doubt here? Anyone? Any small doubt? So what is the major funda? Try to imagine yourself in that place and then you will be able to understand. Okay? Clear? Sure. Great. Now let's solve some questions. All this will be very easy and interesting for you. Seating arrangement. Chalo, let's solve. Check the first question. 1 to 5. Make the arrangement and solve the question. Giving you 1 minute to solve. Chalo, 2 minutes to solve. 2 minutes. Jaldi solve karo. Seating arrangement. 1 to 5. All of them. First find the arrangement. This is a row. Yeah. First find the arrangement in row and then answer the questions. 2 minutes. Yes, guys, got the answers? बताओ. Did any one of you get the answer? The first question, so I'm giving time. After this question, I'll not be giving this much time. One ka is 5. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, guys. Now stop solving. Let's see how to solve this. 2 ka A. Okay. They are facing east. How will people face east when they are sitting like this? Right? Yes or no? तभी ना east face करेंगे. अब now. R is on the immediate right of S. Imagine if you are facing east. How will right be? This will be right or this will be right? Up or down? जल्दी बताओ. Downwards. Very good. So, oh. So now, what is there? R is on the immediate right of S. मतलब S. SR. They are like this, sitting like this. ठीक है? Q is at an extreme end and has T as its neighbor. So, acha. Q is at an extreme end. मतलब Q can be here or here. How many people we have drawn? P, Q, R, S, T, U. Did we draw 7? 1, 2, 3. Sorry. We have to draw 7. Na? Why did I draw this? Just a second. It will be 7 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Like this. South end मतलब नीचे है Q. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We are coming to that. Hold on. Now it is Q is at an extreme end and has T as its neighbor. Okay. So either Q will be here on the north end or Q will be here on the south end. Nothing is given till now. And has T as its neighbor. मतलब T will be here or here. दोनों केस लेके चलेंगे. V is between T and U. Okay. That means if U is here, V is here. If U is here, V is here. ठीक है? Then S is sitting third from the south end. So 1, 2, 3. In this case, V is here, S is not here. So that means this is wrong. So 1, 2, 3. This must be S. So this must be R. Now we have drawn all. Who is remaining? P. So draw P here. So easy. This is our final case. Who is sitting to the right of T? V. So option B. Very good. Which of the following pairs of theta extreme ends? Q and P. Okay. Name the person who is at the third place from north. 1, 2, 3. V. Immediately between which of the following pairs of people is S sitting? S sitting. U and R. Third is C, fourth is D. Understood? Now the last one is saying which of the conditions 1, 2, 3 is not required to find out the place in which P is sitting. C. We require 1. Why? Because if we don't have 1, we don't know which direction they are facing. So 1 is required. Second, R is on the immediate right of S. We require this statement because we know S is here. Where will R and P be? We will not know unless this statement was given. Third is definitely required. Similarly, fourth is required and fifth is also required because S is sitting from third end, we require it. So all of them are required. Is it clear? Anyone has a doubt here? The complete question is clear. Shall we proceed? Yes. Chalo, great. Solve the next one. Yes, all of you can see this screen. 6 to 8, solve it. If you want me to zoom, I've zoomed. 6 to 8, 2 more minutes. Okay, so did we get any answer? Six persons P, Q, R, S, T, and you are sitting in a circle. Okay, facing one another front to front. Matlab what? Facing like this. This is very clear. Facing towards the center. Okay. P is sitting in front of Q. So let Q be here, P be here. Q and P are opposite. Q is sitting to the right of T. So T is here, Q is sitting to the right of T and left of R. So R is here. P is to the left of U. So U will be here and right of S. So S will be here. Who is sitting opposite to R? U. Pehla wala is U. Sitting opposite to S. T. T. Who is sitting between P and R? Between P and R. S. S. Is it clear? बाकी लोग का? Guys, did you understand this question? So easy, right? You can see how easy this is. I hope all of you understood this. Chalo, let's see one more. Check question number 12. Check question number 12 for all. Please solve question number 12. Formation done, sir. Questions? Okay. ठीक है. Let me show you the questions. Yes, there is only one here, no? Yeah, only one question. Okay, let's see. D. Others, बाकी लोग का भी D आया? अच्छा, Kanishka is also saying D. Hi Kanishka, how are you? चलो. Others? किसी और को कोई आंसर आया? चलो, let's see. Draw a diagram. 6 friends are sitting around a circular table at equal distance from each other. Okay, one more thing. See, have they given which direction they are facing? No, right? Whenever nothing is given, the default condition is facing inwards only, facing towards the center. Default condition. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, then 6. Okay. Now, Ramola is sitting 2 places right of Kamalika. The main advantage of circular arrangement is that here you don't need a specific data. Specific data in the sense, whenever you're doing linear arrangement, you must know to solve any question, you must know at least one guy's proper place. मतलब sitting here or here or here or here or here. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, तभी आप solve कर सकते हो. This is for linear arrangement. But for circular, you can start without it only. Why? Ramola is sitting 2 places right of Kamolika. Place Kamolika anywhere. Okay. Now Ramola is 2 places right. So right is here or here. This way right. So 1, 2. This is Ramola. Achha. Kamolika, who is exactly opposite to Anu. Kamolika is exactly opposite to Anu. Matlab Anu is here. Anu is sitting to the immediate left of Pallavi. Matlab Pallavi is here. This you should know. Who is exactly opposite to Mandira? So Pallavi is opposite to Mandira. Achha, now 5 people are done. Who is next? Natasha is also sitting. Natasha is here. Now let's see which of them is not correct. Natasha and Ramola are exactly opposite. Yes, it is true. So this is wrong. Ho gaya. Mandira and Natasha are at equal distance from Komolika. Komolika. Mandira and Natasha. देखो Komolika के right Mandira, Komolika के left Natasha. So this is also false. Angle subtended by Mandira and Natasha is same as the angle subtended by Ramola and Pallavi. तो मंदिरा और नताशा, मंदिरा नताशा, सी मंदिरा एंड नताशा के बीच में 1 place, एंड देन रमोला एंड पल्लवी के बीच में भी 1 place, so the angle will also be same. Natasha is on the immediate left of Pallavi. Pallavi is here. Now if you are not thinking in the correct way, you'll mark D as wrong. Why? D is the correct answer. Natasha is on the immediate left of Pallavi. No, Natasha is on the immediate right, because this is right of Pallavi. तो अपना ये हो गया correct answer. This is the wrong statement. Good job, guys. Is it clear to all? Tell me, all of you. Shall we proceed now? Okay, great. Chalo. So now seating arrangement is done. See, if we have infinite number of questions we can solve, but we have a limited time. Okay, so we am trying to give as much data as possible to you so that you are able to understand. Also, we'll be uploading some papers or basically assignments in which you can find such questions. You can go and solve also for both aptitude and reasoning. Okay. Now let's see the next topic. Okay, the next topic is a good one. Puzzle test. Here there is no theory. The only theory in puzzle test is to go and solve. Start solving. Make a table, read the data and start solving. Okay? The only thing that you can do, learn here is start solving the questions. The more and the more questions you solve, the better you'll get. So now this is the question given to you. I hope all of you can read the question till example 4. 1 second. Okay, 5 questions are there. I'm giving you 5 minutes. I'm giving you much more time here. 5 minutes to solve. In exam, you'll not get this much time. Chalo, but since this is the first question I'm giving you, okay? 1935, I want the answers. Start solving, guys. I am here. If you have any doubt, please ask. इसी का आंसर आया 1 is German. Okay, let's see. Solve all the ones. Don't solve the fifth one, right? Yeah. Ignore the fifth one. Solve only for the first four. This is interesting for you, right? I'm sure. This is not a boring part because here you have to use your own brains. You don't require any formula, anything like that. One is German, 3 is yellow. Okay. Let's see. Let's try to solve. What is given? There are 4 people sitting in a row. Okay. 4 people A, B, C, D. Now, Indian, Japan, USA, and Germany. 4 people, but not in that order. Okay. They are wearing caps of different colors: green, yellow, red, and white. One is wearing a kurta and one a t-shirt. Okay. So there are 4 people, right? Indian. Sorry, table banate hain. Hold on. Let's make a table. Country, hat, cloth. Okay, let's make a table. Country, hat, and cloth. Okay. So now country are 4. I know: India, Japan, USA, and Germany. Okay. Now, and arrangement will be here: A, B, C, D. I don't know what's the order. ठीक है. Is it given in a row है ना खाली South or North नहीं दिया. चलो ठीक है. One is wearing a kurta and one is wearing a t-shirt. Okay. Indian is wearing a green cap and a jacket. So this is very easy. Green and jacket. ये done हो गया. Indian is done. Now, American is not seated at either end. मतलब American is either here or here. These are the two ends. He's sitting either here or here. Person with kurta and t-shirt are sitting next to each other. Kurta and t-shirt. Okay. Person with kurta wears a red cap and sits next to the Japanese. Chalo, theek hai. This is also informative. We'll see. We'll come one by one. Japanese wear a shawl. This is Japani. He is wearing a shawl and is not seated at either end. अच्छा मतलब American and Japanese are in between. तो अगर American is here, then Japanese is here. Or if American is here, then Japanese is here. There are two possibilities, up and down. Now what are they saying? The man with white cap wears t-shirt and is seated at one end. Acha. Now I know one more thing. ध्यान से समझना. I know Indian and German are sitting at either ends. Indian is not wearing a t-shirt. That means German is wearing a t-shirt for sure. And the person wearing a t-shirt is wearing also a white cap. So this is also sure. Okay. Now jacket, sheen and t-shirt is gone. What is the remaining one? Kurta. That means American is wearing a kurta. USA guy. A is for American. U by A. Under. Now two colors are remaining. Okay. Now what is given? Person with kurta and t-shirt. Kurta and t-shirt. मतलब American and Indian are sitting next to each other. So if American is in here, Indian is here. If American is here, Indian is here, and German is here, and German is here. ठीक है? और क्या दिया हुआ है? Person with a kurta wears a red cap, so he is wearing a red cap. मतलब German is wearing a yellow cap. So this is our argument, two possibilities. ठीक है? अब पढ़ते क्या बोल रहे हैं? Who wears a t-shirt? T-shirt, German. Option D. Who is wearing a kurta? Kurta, kurta, kurta. American. Option C. What is the color of the cap worn by Japanese? Japanese ka color, yellow. Option C. Who precedes the man wearing t-shirt? Who is wearing t-shirt? T-shirt, bhaiya, t-shirt. German. तो जर्मन से प्रीसीड. अच्छा ना, इफ यू टेक दिस केस व्हाट विल हैपन? इज देयर एनीवन हु इज प्रीसीडिंग जर्मनी? जर्मनी से पहले बैठ रहा है? नहीं, राइट? तो द आंसर विल बी द फर्स्ट वन, दैट इज जापानीज. जापानीज इज द आंसर. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? बताओ, डिड ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? I want answers from all. Did all of you understand this? Yes or no? Parth, Kanishka, you guys were also there, right? What happened? Understood this? Yes, sir. Let's proceed then. Don't need to check. If I'm saying it is correct, it is correct. Don't worry. Chalo. Solve question number 7 and 8 now. 7 and 8. Again, 2 more minutes to solve. भाइयों बहनों, आया किसी का आंसर? Did anyone of you get the answer? No one? Come on, yaar. This is a very easy question. Why are you taking this much time? Time is what is essential for us. Very essential. Chalo, let me solve for you. It says 7 books are placed one above the other. 7 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 books. History is placed directly above civics. So S, this is the order. H and C. Okay. Geography is 4th from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Geography is here. And English is 5th from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. English is here. 2 books in between civics and economics. Okay, civics and economics. Now, if civics is if civics is here, then 1, 2 economics must be here. Not possible. If civics is here, then 1, 2 economics must be here. Not possible. If civics is here, then 1, 2 economics must be here. Possible. So civics is here and economics is here. One is possible. One possibility. If civics is here, then 1, 2 economics not possible. If civics is here, then 1, 2 economics possible. That means civics can be here or here, and economics can be here or here. You get 2 cases. On the LHS we made 1 case, on the RHS we made 1 case. These 2 are fixed. But it is given कि history is just above is civics is just above is history. If we consider this case, civics is just above is English, which is not possible because we know civics is just above is history. So this case is gone. Sorry, this case is gone, nullified. So we ignore this case now. What we'll write? We'll write the other two. That means civics is here, history is here, and economics is here. Is it clear till here? Jaldi batao, yes or no? Is it clear till here? Why did we remove that case? Yes, sure. Okay, now two books are remaining. We don't know what is there. Let's read the question now. To find the number of books between civics and science. Achha, science is not here. I don't know the place of science. Which other extra piece of information is required? Okay, civics place I know. Science I must require. Two books between geography and science. Okay, geography is here. If science is here, then also two books between geography and science. If science is here, then also two books between geography and science. So can I determine the place of science from this statement? No, right? Why? Because in both the cases, there will be only two books between geography and science. I cannot tell science is here or here. Ignored. Two books between mathematics and geography. Again, same logic. Mathematics can be here also, here also. I do not know exactly which position is it. Okay. So with this also we cannot see. One book between English and science. Where is English? English is here. That means science must be here. For sure. Science cannot be here because if science is here, then will be 1, 2, 3 books between English and science. If science is here, where is maths? Maths Baba is here. So, and the last one, civics book is placed before two books above the economics. Economics is here, civics. This was already given in the question before only. With this, with the help of this also, we cannot find where is the science book. So this also ignored. Matlab option C is correct. Okay. Now again remove math and science because they were not given in the question. In the main question, this was the part of the first question. So ignored math and science again. Now let's see the next one. To know which three books are kept above the English. To know which three books are kept above the English books, which of the following additional piece of information is required? Above English, how many books are there? Which three books are there? Batao. Geography, civics, history, we already know. So do we require any other information? Batao. No. We don't require. So no other information is required. I don't care about any other information because I already know that these three books are there. I don't need to require what is which book is here, which book is here. Is it clear? बताइए, is it clear, guys? चलो, great. Chalo, this is not that important. The important question we have already done. Now we'll come to the next part. Mirror and water images. Okay, shall we start? Mirror and water images. Chalo. Very interesting concept, mirror and water images. What happens basically in mirror images? The image gets interchanged. The left part becomes the right part and the right part becomes the left part. This is all about mirror image, you know. Itna hi, this is the only theory about mirror image. Yes, some mic is on. Path, you want to say something? Okay, so in mirror image, what happens is the left and right part gets interchanged. The left becomes right and the right becomes left. Or it is also called as lateral inversion. Bachpan mein class 8-9 mein physics mein you must have read this word, lateral inversion. What does lateral inversion means? The same thing, that left becomes right and right becomes left. Size will remain same. It will remain always the same. Okay. But the sides change. Size is same. Sides change. No, sir. Okay, no problem. Take it. Now, Now there are 11 letters in the English alphabet which have identical mirror images. What are those letters? You must know them. You don't need to remember them. You just need to have a glance over this. A, the mirror image of A is same as A. H is same as H. Can you see? Why? Because they follow symmetry. They follow symmetry. Since they follow symmetry, that therefore, vertical symmetry, therefore, they remain same. So A, H, I, M. Again, M. Go see, M was here and the mirror is also same. O, and O. T here and here, same. U. Can you see? Mirror image and this image are same. V, W, X, Y. Mirror image and this are same. Okay. Now let's check for other letters. For example, B. In B, can you see the change? Let me zoom it once for you to understand better. Can you see the change in mirror image from B to this B? Yes or no? The change is very clearly visible, right? Can you see the difference? Yes, very good. Then what happened is, if you check very carefully, this was the line. B is made of two things. One is this and one is this. 1 and 3. Basically. The one part is in the left and the 3 part is in the right. So the first thing that will happen is, the 1 part will come to the right and the 3 part will come to the left. So it should have been here like this. No. Why? Because when the 3 part is coming to the left, this 3 will also get changed. Why? Try to understand. This outer part is towards the left and the closed part is towards the right. The open part is towards the left, closed part is towards the right. When this 3 shifts here, after mirror imaging, what will happen? The closed part will come like this in the left and the open part will come towards the right. Are you getting the point? This 13 has become like this. E and I. Are you getting the point? Yes or no? Jaldi batao. This was the open part. This was towards the left. Now this is towards the right. This was the closed part. So this is towards the left. So the figure will be like this. B becomes B on mirror image. Is it clear? Yes or no? Tell me fast. Yes, very good. Sure, now I can see more people. Okay. Now let's check about E. What is happening? The same thing. That E is made of 3 things. 1 and this 3. Now these 3 are same. So what will happen? This will come here and this 3 will go here. E will become like this. Sorry. Okay. Same for F. No symmetry. Correct. Same for F. No, symmetry is there for E. If you will check for symmetry, symmetry is there, but this is the horizontal symmetry. We want vertical symmetry. For vertical symmetry, mirror and normal images will be same. For A, for example, A does not have a vertical symmetry, horizontal symmetry. A has a vertical symmetry. So whenever there is a vertical symmetry, okay, vertical symmetry, that time image and the mirror image will be same. Is it clear? Now J is like this. So J is made of 2 things. J is made of 2 things. One is a straight line and the other is a curve like this. What will happen in display? This will come here and the curve will go there to J will become like this. So easy. Isn't it easy? Yes or no? So I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. to go through all these mirror images and ask me if you have any doubts. ठीक है? Is this fine? Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ. Please go through all these 26 and 26, 52 letters. This is small and this is caps. And tell me if you have any doubts in understanding mirror images. We'll come to the questions later, but first try to understand the logic. Take 2-3 minutes. Okay? I am here only. Please ask if you have any doubts. किसी को आंसर done. How is G and N? Okay, so level asking G and N. Let's see. This is G, right? G is made of two things. One is this and one is this. Correct? So this C will come to the right part and become theta like this. Correct? Now this part will come to like this. Try to man. This is a curve. If a curve is like this, how will it become after mirror image? Like this? Yes or no? And if it is like this, how it will become after mirror image? Like this. So G will be like this. Is it clear now? Stay Lata. Yes sir. Okay. Let's see about N. N का क्या बोलता है? N भैया is saying I am like this and like this. So this part will come here. Now this is slanting like this. देखो, if a slanting is like this, how will it become? It will become like this. Yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है? एक एक करके अपन कर रहे हैं इसलिए. Like this. And this is a straight line. Will come here. Will come like this. Clear? Any doubts in mirror imaging now? ठीक है. So the main funda is remember कि left becomes right and right becomes left. Now take 1-2 more minutes and check the and check these numbers also. Take 2 more minutes and check the numbers also. But this is not a topic where you have to go very deeply, okay? Just listen to your heart in these 2-3 chapters and you will be doing it correctly. Listen to what your heart says. For this point, shall we proceed? Sure. Yes, sir. Okay. Let's proceed. Now these are some objects having mirror images. Let's see what happened in this. Box is remaining as box. The arrow which was facing like this towards the northeast now will go towards the northwest. So easy. For this, now see, this image will, this is at 12 o'clock, so this will be at 12. Now this is here, so this will come out to be here. So easy. Left वाला था ना, देखो साउथ ईस्ट था, साउथ वेस्ट चला जाएगा ये. So easy again. This one, the open part is towards the right and the closed part is towards the left. यहाँ पे उल्टा हो जाएगा. Open part will be towards the left and the closed part will be towards the right. Here, shaded part is towards the top left. It will go to the top right. And this darker part was on the right bottom. It will go to the left bottom. So easy now. Dekho, it's very, very easy. Here, this slanting line is like this. How will this become? This will become like this. I know. This has become like this. Now for this one, dekho. This will become like this. And this will become like this. So easy. तो ये उधर चला गया, ये इधर आ गया. Isn't it easy? For this, देखो, arrow was downwards towards northeast, south, क्या बोलते हैं, southwest. This will go towards the northwest like this, and this was in this direction. It will go in this direction. I hope this is done to all. All of you understood this mirror images. Shall we proceed now? Okay, great. Now comes the second part. That is water images. In water images, what happens is the top becomes bottom and the bottom becomes top. Here, no change in left and right. Here, what is happening? The top part becomes the bottom part and the bottom part becomes the top part. Are you getting the point? Yes or no? Jaldi bataiye. No change in left and right. For example, if I am drawing like this, how will the image be? Image will be like this. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि this was on the right, so this will come on the left. No. This was on the top, so this has come to the bottom. ठीक है? You can check the letters A. A was like this. Turn it upside down. It will become like this. B is like this. So B will become like this. It has not changed. Try to understand. It has not changed. It did not become like this. C was like this. So C will become like this. D was like this. So D will become like this only. Why? Because देखो ये left and right में change नहीं हो रहा है. Top and bottom change होगा. E was like this. E will be like this only. Acha. Now can you tell me one thing? If you have observed something, can you tell me here? Related to symmetry. Tell me. देखो, in mirror images, vertical symmetry things do not change. ठीक है? Vertical symmetry. In water image, horizontal symmetry things do not change. For example, C के पास क्या horizontal symmetry? देखो C and C are same. D के पास क्या? देखो horizontal symmetry, so D and D are same. Can you check? Yes or no? बताइए. ठीक है. So are you done with water images? Take 2-3 more minutes and go through all this. We'll be done. Yes, correct. Supraja. Check here, you can see. नहीं, देखो B. There's a difference between B. Normally B is written like this. ऊपर वाला छोटा, नीचे वाला बड़ा. Normally, what do we write? Like this. It's not like this actually. B is like this. A very technical thing. Okay. Now, since it is not in symmetry now, because this is the smaller circle, this is the bigger circle. So what will happen? The smaller circle will go down, bigger circle will come up. Got it? This only has been shown here. Take 2-3 minutes, go through all of these, then we'll come to our next part, the final part of imaging. I mean logical reasoning. Please write a yes if you are done with it. Okay, Santa says done. Others, are you done? Shall we proceed now? Chalo, great. Now we come to dice. See, there are if we'll check now, there are a lot of things to cover in reasoning. But since we have limited time, I'm trying to cover the most common topics. Okay, which can be asked. Chalo, dice के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. We all know dice is a cube. Like this. Imagine this is not a cube, but imagine this is a cube. Okay. Imagine this is the cube. Now let me do one thing for you. Let me show you something. Where did it go? This is attention, yeah. Where did it go? Oh, I cannot see it. Can anyone see that dice? Which should have been inserted here? No, right? Okay, do one thing. Let me do one thing. I'm really sorry. Just give me one moment. Trying to make it much more easier for you by using a 3D model. Okay, I see. Can you see a die? Can you see this die, all of you? Yes. Can all of you see the die now? Batao? Is it visible to all? Am I on mute? No. Guys, can you hear me? Can you all see this die? No sir, Rutuja is not able to see the die. Others, okay, sorry, here. Now are you able to see it now? I hope so. It's a yes now. Yes. Okay. Now see. Die consists of 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can be any other number. But normally in a die we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 different faces. Okay. Now, if I select this one, try to imagine. See, if one is in the front, then there will be one side which is at the back. Okay. If I'm trying to rotate it, I'm trying to rotate it. Now one came to the right, and once more if I rotate, one will come to the left, one will come to the back. That means 6 is on the front. So when 1 is on the front, 6 is on the back, and when 6 is on the front, 1 is on the back. Are you getting the point? Yes or no? So 1 and 6 are called opposite faces. Similarly, if I change this, 5, let's consider 5. When 5 is in the front, what will be on the back? Let's see. देखो 5 को एक बार घुमाया, 2 बार घुमाया, 2. So 5 and 2 are opposites. So 1, 6, 5, 2 are opposites. What are the remaining phases? 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 will be opposite. Is it clear? Do you understand the meaning of opposite phases now? Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ. Yes sir. चलो. Now if I consider, for example, this phase 2. This phase 2 has 4 adjacent faces. Adjacent मतलब attached to 2. देखो, if 2 is on the front, if 2 is in the front here, then 2 के ऊपर क्या है? 4 attached face. 2 के नीचे क्या है? 3 again attached face. 2 के लेफ्ट में क्या है? 6 and 2 के राइट में क्या है? 1. So the adjacent faces of 2 are 1, 6, 3 and 4. बाजू वाले faces, right? And the opposite face of 2 is 5. So do you understand now? For every face, there will be 4 adjacent faces side to side, and there will be 1 opposite face. ये बात क्लियर हुई? हाँ या ना बताओ. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes. चलो, great. ठीक है. So now let's come to our mainframe. Okay. Or if you can see the word file now, my main word file. Okay. Now see. Now the main concept, there are 2 main concepts of dice. Okay. The first concept says if 2 dice are given like this, one face, 2 face, 3 face. These are the 3 front faces that you can see. Imagine this is a die. Okay? Ignore my diagram, but imagine this is a die. Yes, we'll be getting the attendance like Shadri. Please wait for some time. By 8:30, it will be uploaded here. Okay. Now see. These are 2 different dice. I mean, these are 2 same dice, but with different positions. For example, A, B, C and A, C, D. Okay. What is happening here? These 2 dice are the same dice only, but this represents one throw, this represents another throw. Okay. Now, here how many sides do you see common? How many faces are common? 2 faces, right? Yes or no? A very, very, very important logic in dice. Please be careful. 2 minutes लगेगा समझने में बस. If there are 2 common faces, for example here AC and AC, the remaining 2 faces are opposite. B and D are opposite. Is it clear? Yes, very good. Sorry, not Parth, Venkat. So if two common faces are there, then the third faces will be opposite. We don't know anything about the other parts, but we know B and D will be opposite for sure. Are you getting the point? Yes or no? When two common faces are there. Okay? Now, second part. When only one common face is there. For example, this is a die. Why am I drawing like this? And this is a die. A, B, C, A, D, E. Now what to do? Now there is sir, only one common face is there. In this case, please remember, take the common face and go clockwise. इस डायग्राम में क्लॉकवाइज जाएंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? ए के बाद बी, बी के बाद सी. इस डायग्राम में क्लॉकवाइज जाएंगे, ए के बाद टेक फर्स्ट टेक ए, डोंट टेक ई, टेक द कॉमन वन. ए के बाद क्या आएगा? डी, देन ई. So now B and D will be opposite, C and E will be opposite. Yes, Venkat, correct. Is it clear? Are all of you understanding the logic? Tell me fast. So what you have to do, whenever single face common is there, take that face and go clockwise. Now I know B, D are opposite, C, E and are opposite, but I don't know what is opposite to A. Okay? Chalo. Now use this to solve few questions. जैसे कि पहला question. All of you can see the first one. 4 times a die is thrown, the same die is thrown, and 4 different positions are given. Use these positions to find the number opposite to 3. Jaldi. I guess someone already got the answer. 4. Okay. Matlab 1. You're talking about option 4 or answer as 4? Okay, let's see. Others? Answer is 4. Okay. Venkat only did the first time, right? Others, किसी और का आया कोई? देखो, check. I told now. Let's check one. Here. 6, 1, 3, 5, 2, 4. Nothing is common. Ignore them. Check this one. 6, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3. Acha, 1 and 3 common. 1 and 3 common. So what are the remaining numbers? 5 and 6. Matlab 5, 6 are opposite. One pair we have got. Again take this one. 6, 3, 1. 6, 2, 3. 6, 3 common. 6, 3 common. What is remaining? 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 are common. I mean 1 and 2 are opposites. It is very clear. Now 5, 6, 1, 2 common. What are the other two numbers? 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 will be opposite. So what is the number opposite to 3? 4. So easy. Easy. Yes or no? Jaldi batao. Was it easy, guys? Okay, let's see others. Trying, sir. Okay, Parth, no problem. Check this question. Check this question. The figure shown below shows 2 different positions for dice. Which number will appear opposite to 2? How many common faces are there? 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only one common face. Whenever there is one common face, what will we do? We'll take that common face and go clockwise. So 4, 2, 3 यहाँ लिखो. And 4, then if you go like this, 5, 6 ऐसे लिखो. The 5 and 2 are opposite. 6 and 3 are opposite. Answer is 5. Very good. Option C. So remember the 2 thumb rules. If 2 common faces are there, the third face will be opposite. If only one common face is there, take that common face and go clockwise. Any doubts in this part? Anyone? The people who were there before. Supraja, Shishadri, Rutuja, Rutika, Snehata. Did all of you understand this concept? Yes, sure. Yes, yes, very good. So we'll come to this also. पहले से एक और क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. चलो ये वाला क्वेश्चन बताओ, जल्दी बताओ. Same logic. Find it. 30 seconds. Option B. Bad is saying B. Okay, others. Okay, Venkat is also saying 5. Supraja is also saying 5. बाकी लोग. Let's see. Number in place of question. Okay, ठीक है. पहले let's see opposites. ठीक है. 4 2 3 5 1 2 6 1 dash 6 1 dash. ठीक है. Oh, I guess I gave you a wrong question. This is for different case. Acha, hold on. We'll come to this later on. We'll come to this later on. Not this one. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I wanted to give you this one. I'm really sorry. Solve this one. The previous one, I'll come to that. And we do not have this much time, so we have to solve DI also, data interpretation also. Jaldi. Opposite to D. कॉमन क्या है? ए डी एफ एफ सी ई. एफ इज कॉमन, तो एफ डी ए एफ सी ई. डी एन सी आर ऑपोजिट. डन. वेरी गुड. सी बी. ओके, करेक्ट. फिर नीचे आते हैं. देखो ये वाला. व्हाट नंबर शुड बी ऑपोजिट टू 4? चेक ऑल द 3. 2 3 1 5 3 1. 3 1 3 1 कॉमन, मतलब 2 and 5 are opposite. 4 2 3 2 3 1, मतलब 1 and 4 are opposite. तो opposite to 4 is 1. Easy. Yes or no? Yes, absolutely. Yes, very good. ठीक है. एक और देख लो इसमें. इसमें ये देखो. Which letter will be opposite to D? Check here. A E. Sorry. C E C E. A and D are opposite directly. From the first only we are getting A. Is it clear? चलो ग्रेट. अब आते हैं ये वाले पे. ओपन डाई. Now to see. The previous ones that we did were closed die. That is, die was formed. Now, what if a die is like this open die? In this case, what happened? Take the first one, skip one place and go to the next. For example, if you take 2, in that same pattern, you're going down, skip 4 and take 5. So 2 and 5 are opposites. Okay? Now, take 4, skip 1 and go down. 4 and 1 are opposite. 2 5 4 1. Now 6, skip 4 and go to 3. 6 and 3 are opposite. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now I'm giving you 2 3 logics. Let's see. Patak se now. Tell me what are opposites. A के opposite क्या आएगा जल्दी? सी देखो, ए गो इन दिस डायरेक्शन, लीव बी एंड कम टू सी, ए सी. बी के ऑपोजिट, leave C, go to D. D, very good, shabash. And what are the two remaining? E and F. So E and F will be opposite. Got it? This is one box only. I'm trying to show different kind of things to you. R, opposite to M. Jaldi, M, take M, go, leave N and go down. O, take N, leave O, go down. P. What are the two remaining? R and Q. So easy, isn't it? Yes or no? Was it easy or not? Similarly, various combinations can be made, but you have to remember the basics only. Bas, this was all about dice. Dice is also done. देखो here. 4, leave 2, go to 1, 4 and 1. 2, leave 1, go to 6, 2 and 6, 5 and 3. Achha, what about this? What about this last one? Sorry. Let's draw one last. अब बताओ, A, B, C, D, E, F. A के opposite? B के opposite? और C के opposite? Sorry, C नहीं. E के opposite. No, I did not understand. Please write together, not write in pairs. A and C, to write A comma C like this. Then it will be better to understand. B and E. Okay, very good, very good. Dekho, normally I told you na, go like this. Take A and then go to C. A, leave B and go to C. So A and C are opposite. Now B, now it is a B. I left C and then went to D. Are then you are going in this direction. ऐसा नहीं करना, but हमेशा straight line you have to follow. ठीक है? If you are going like this, then you are breaking the rule. ठीक है? So A and C are done. Now for B, I cannot go anywhere. So leave B. Come to D. For D, you can go to F. D and F. That means B and E are opposite. Easy? Yes or no? Everyone, please answer yes or no. Was it easy? Yes or no? जल्दी बताइए. Shall we proceed to the last part? The last and the most interesting part that everyone can solve very easily if you know the basic of maths. BODMAS rule, percentage, ratio. Percentage and ratio we have already discussed. BODMAS rule, I don't think I need to discuss. याद है BODMAS rule सबको? Do all of you remember BODMAS rule? Bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, right? Yes, sir. Very good. Chalo. ठीक है. Now let's come to data interpretation. What happens in data interpretation? First understand. In data interpretation, some data or some pointers are given to you in random order. They can give you a big paragraph or they can give you other kinds of diagram. We'll come to all those kinds of diagram. And based on that specific data, they'll ask you few questions. They can ask you one question, two questions, or more. Okay? Using that data, you have to solve the given question. No prior knowledge of that paragraph is required. Only you have to go through that paragraph or go through that data and then answer. All right. Is this basic understood of data interpretation? Something will give a given. जैसे अपन बचपन passage पढ़ते थे याद है? Read the passage in language 2, English language. Read the passage and then answer the following. Same is data interpretation. ठीक है? Now, Data interpretation, either I told you, either they'll give you a direct paragraph, everything written in a paragraph form, or they can give you various graphs, yeah, diagram. Now, what are the most popular? There are many, but what are the most popular diagrams? 4 kind of diagrams. The first is a bar graph. Second is a line graph. Third is a pie chart. And fourth is a tabular data. Tabular data means directly table is given. So 4 kinds of diagrams are there: bar graph, line graph, pie chart, and tabular data. We'll check each kind of diagram. Yes, correct. Just analyzing the data. Okay. Now we'll come to the first type, that is bar graph. In bar graph, what is happening? Can you see a graph with 2 axes, x-axis and y-axis given, and some data are represented in form of bars. Bars matlab like this, like this. Some data is given. Now you have to read the data and solve the question. First, read the whole question, the question base, then read the whole graph, and then answer the question. Is it clear? चलो एक question देखते पहला. All of you can see this diagram in the question. The bar graph shows the sale of books from 4 different branches: C1, C2, C3, and C4. Let's check. C1 ka sale, C2 ka sale, C3 ka sale, C4. Okay, 4 type of branches sales are there in 3 consecutive years. Okay, 3 years. Let's see. Here it is given now. Blue one is 2020, orange one is 2021, and gray one is 2022. Up check. For C1 we have 3 data, C2 3 data, C3 3 data, and C4 3 data. It means our graph is correct. Now we'll come to the main question. What is the main question? Calculate the total sale of books from C3 and C4 for these 3 years. That means first find the value of C3 for all the 3 years, then find the value of C4 for all the 3 years, and then total them. Is it clear? So what you have to do? You have to read the data. C3 के लिए 2020 का data is 460, 2021 is 450, and 2022 is 472. Sorry, 470. Add all the 3. And C4 के लिए 2020 का data is 260, then 380, then 460. Add all of them to get the answer as 480. Any doubt in this part? Anyone has any doubt, please ask. No doubt, right? Are all of you sure? No doubt, sir. Okay. Amma sir, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yes. So guys, Amma sir will be handling for 5-10 minutes. He has some important information to share to you guys. And then we'll be back with some questions. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Amma sir.
Yeah. So guys, I have your announcement regarding the upcoming programs and webinar and your certificate things. So first thing is that today there is no any attendance and feedback form. So we are going to share career counseling and career guidance form with you. So those who are looking for one-on-one consultation with the ExcelR solutions, our industry experts will be connected with you. So I'm sharing that link with you. So please fill that form. If you have any query or question, then definitely you will get benefit from ExcelR solutions. And most important thing, the career counseling is free of cost. There is no any charges for the same. So second announcement is that on upcoming Sunday, and the date is 23rd of the July, we are launching one webinar for 2 hours. And webinar is on zero programming IT jobs opportunity for non-programmers. Okay. I'm sharing that link as well with you guys. So please attend that webinar. It will help you. So the webinar is on zero programming IT jobs. Okay. So IT jobs opportunity for non-programmers. And third announcement is that after the webinar, we are launching one training program. And the program name is Master in Data Science. And it will be for 10 hours from 24th for next 5 days, Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So I'm sharing that link as well with you. Please register for that. And coming to your certificates, guys. So those who attended 60 and more than 60% of the session, they will receive their certificate via registered email ID within 7 to 8 working days. Hello, sir. What about full stack development certificate? So, Simran, we are on it. You will receive it in 2 days. Okay. Oh, guys, any query or any question? We'll take it for 2 or 3 minutes, and then we'll hand over to again Shubham. Quick question, guys. Yeah, I shared the 3 links. One is career counseling. Second one is webinar on zero programming IT jobs. And third one is on mastery in data science. Parth is asking, sir, how will be the certificate provided? So Parth, you will receive a certificate via email. There is no any extra process you need to fill a form or nothing is there. You will receive a certificate via email. Just 60% attendance is mandatory. Yeah, I am done. Shubham, over to you.
Thank you, Amar. So guys, yes, Amar sir has posted all the links. Please go through them. Okay, and please register on the same. And now we'll be starting again our topic. Yeah. So where we discussed the first question on the bar graph, right? Was it clear to all? Please tell me. We have 20 to 25 more minutes left. Let's try to make the most of it. Let's come to example number 2. Can all of you read this question? The bar graph given below shows the sale of books in thousand numbers. Matlab 80 means 80 into 1000, 80,000. 105 means 105,000, 75 means 75,000 and so on. From 6 branches in 2 years, 2000 and 2001. So let's check everything is given in our data or not. Blue dot means 2000. Matlab blue bar will mean the data of 2000 and red bar will means the data of 2001. And these are the branches B1, B2, B3, B4, B5 and B6. Sale in thousands is given. 80 matlab 80,000 as I have already told. Now, let's take the first question. The first question says total sales of branch B6. Total sale of branch B6 for both the years is what percent of the total sales of branch B3 for both the years? Can you find it? I'm giving you 1 minute to find the answer. Please find the answer. Read the question, read the graph and find the answer. Anyone got the answer? Yeah. So easy, na? So easy. Yesterday we've discussed percentage. You must all should be able to solve this. Okay, let's see. What is it saying? It says total sale of branch B6. B6 total sale is 80 plus 70, 150. And then B3. B3 ka total sale is 95, 110, 205. So now it's saying B6 is what percent of B3? So let's say B6 is X percent of B3. I've told you yesterday, if the question is asked, A is what percent of B, Then how to solve? Answer will be A into 100 by B. Remember this? Yes, very good. So it's saying B6 is what percent of B3? So answer will be 150 into 100 by 205. Is this clear to all? Let's see the answer. Yes, C. Answer is correct. 73.17%. Did all of you understand this? Yes or no? Jaldi tell me. Did all of you understand this? Wasn't it easy? Very easy. Anyone has any difficulty, you can ask. No problem, bacha. You can ask me anything. Okay, fine. Now, the first kind of graph is done. Now we'll come to the second kind of graph, that is line graph. Now, line graph and bar graph do not have much difference other than the representation. Bar graph is written in the represented in the form of bars. Okay. I guess Sheshadri sir told now there will be no link today, no attendance link. Amma sir, am I correct?
Yes.
No attendance link will be given today.
Shubham, can you repeat, please?
Yes, I am asking ki there will be no link for attendance, right, today?
No. Today there is no any attendance link, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah, sorry. Where were we? Line graph. Yeah, I was saying the line graph has a very minor difference from bar graph. And what's the difference? Only the representation. Bar graph is represented in the form of bars, and line graph, as the name suggests, is represented in the form of line like this. Any line, straight line, crooked line, anything like that. Okay. For example, this is a line graph. And this graph is showing three different values. Okay, this is for series 1, this is for series 2, this is for series 3. Okay, this is the representation. Here also what we need to do is we need to check the value, read the question, and then answer. Now, for example, this is the question given to us. Study the following line graph and answer the question. So sorry. Exports from 3 companies over the years is given in crores. What are the 3 companies? Company X with blue, company Y with green, and company Z with red. These 3 companies are there, and their export in crores is given. Okay, for the given years 93 to 99. Is it clear? The graph is clear? Now, the first question says, in which year was the difference between the export from X and Y the minimum? X और Y का difference minimum किस साल में था? Let's calculate one by one. For example, 93. In 93, X is at 30, Y is at 80. Can you see? Okay, correct. 94. So difference will be 80 minus 30, that is 50 crores. Second में, this is at 40 and this is at 90. So 90 minus 40. अरे बेटा देखो गलत हो गया. Oh, sorry. This is blue one, na? My mistake. I went wrong. Blue one, देखो. This is what might happen. The thing that happened to me, I took the red one. No, we don't need to take the red one. We need to take the blue and green ones. So this is 60 minus 40. That is 20. Correct. And then when you will solve similarly, what you will get here? कुछ गलत करो बच्चों, ध्यान से देखो. What's the difference here? In 1996, 70 minus 60, that is 10. Yes, 96 is the correct answer, not 94. देखो इनमें this is 40 minus 60, 20. This is 60 minus 40, again 20. This is 70 minus 60, 10. Then for this 100 minus 80, 20. Then for this 100 minus 50, again 50. Then for this 140 minus 100, 40. So what's the answer? 1996. Okay. Is it correct? Is it understood to by all? Dekho, 10 crores in 1996. So the answer is 1996. Did all of you understand the graph? Yes or no? But the unit, remember the unit was in crores. So answer will be in crores. Don't forget to write the unit. Anyone has any difficulty? Anyone? Batao? All of you understood this, right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No. Chalo. Correct. अब आते हैं थर्ड काइंड ऑफ ग्राफ पे. This is a pie chart. Now a pie chart you have been reading since you were a kid, right? Pie chart. There are two main characteristics of pie chart. Pie chart is a circle, right? And what happens to a circle? What is the total degree in a circle? 360 degree. So in a pie chart, the total sum of all the values, all the sectors. देखो यहाँ पे 5 sectors है. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sectors are there. The sum of all the sectors will be equal to 360 degree. Now pie chart can be represented of two types. One is in degree, one is in percentage. ठीक है. अगर डिग्री की बात हो रही है तो टोटल डिग्री शुड ऑलवेज बी 360. मान लो इफ आई एम टेलिंग दिस इज 120 या दिस इज 180, दिस इज 30, दिस इज 40, दिस इज 70. What's the total value? 180 and 70, 250, 250 and 40, 290, 290 and 30, 320. This is wrong. Not possible. The sum should always be 360 degree. It cannot be less than 360 degree. Yeah, more than that. ठीक है. Similarly, if I'm telling this is 20%, this is 30%, this is 10%, this is 14%. 30, 20, 50, 60, 74%. Wrong. Should be total should be equal to 100%. So if it is percentage, then the total must be 100. If it is degree, the total must be 360. Okay? Clear till here? Now, what can I say? कि 100% बराबर 360 degree. Can I say this? Yes, I can say this. 100% equals to 360 degree. So 1% equals to 360 by 100. That is 3.6 degrees. Is it correct? The value of 1% will be 3.6 degrees. Guys, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good. Super. Now, if we know this, let's solve the first question. This is a pie chart given. Following pie chart shows the percentage of expenditure incurred in publishing a book. This is the percentage of expenditure. Okay. Now, the question says, if for a certain quantity of books, publisher has to pay 30,600 as printing cost. But if printing cost is given to you, then what will be the amount of royalty? Can you find this? Pehle to tell me yes or no. Can you find this? Yes or no? If I give you 1 to 2 minutes, will you be able to find this? Batao. I hope it's a yes. Are all of you able to see the screen? Yes, correct. Venkat, please find the value. Find the answer fast. I don't know. Never do this with me or anyone. Don't never write a question mark. Part. Be confident in whatever you answer. Let it be wrong. But I mean here, not in the main exam. Let it be wrong here. but be confident well you are answering. Okay, remember this for your life always. Okay, whatever answer you are giving, if you're not sure, then don't give. But if you're giving, then be sure of the answer. So yes, Parth, now tell me. Okay, sir. Let's see. चलो सबका आंसर गलत आया. क्या दिया हुआ है देखो एक एक करके. Printing cost 20% is given to us as 30,600, right? So 1% we can find 30,600 by 20. काटो 1530. आ गया. Now we need to find what royalty. Royalty is 15%. So 15% will be 15 into 1530. That is 22950. Both the answers are wrong. Is it clear? Yes. Now Venkata has done the correct one. Is it clear now? Tell me fast. जल्दी बताओ बाकी लोग. Clear हुआ या नहीं? 20% was given. We have to find the value of 15%. Okay, great. Okay, now check the second question. Central angle of the sector corresponding to the expenditure incurred on royalty. मतलब for royalty you have to find the angle. We know royalty is 15%. We know 1% was 3.6 degree. We already found 100% was 360 degree. So 1% was 3.6 degree. So 15% will be 3.6 into 15. 54 डिग्री करेक्ट हुआ है. अब ये सो नो समझ में आई ये बात. इजी. जल्दी बताइए सर बाकी लोग. चलो गुड. सेम काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. जल्दी जल्दी फाइनल आंसर बताओ. एग्जांपल 5 पार्ट 1. We'll take 5 more minutes and then we'll finish everything. Guys, Nia, in the corporate sector, approximately how many degrees should? Corporate sector is what? 34%. So 34% will be what? 34 into 3.6. Whatever is the answer will be your answer. Correct. 122.4 degrees. Approximately 122. Very good. Easy, right? Very easy. Yes or no? Did you find any difficulty till now? No. Chalo. The next one. Investment by NRIs are 4,000. Where is NRI? NRI is 11%. मतलब 11% बराबर 4,000. So 1% is how much? 4,000 by 11. Then the investment by corporate and FII. Corporate is 34, FII is 33. Totally 67. So 67% कितना हो जाएगा? 4,000 by 11 into 67. Answer. What's the answer? देखो 24,363 crore approximately. This will come in decimal, but we are writing the approximate value. Is it clear? Yes or no? Any doubts? Anyone? Any doubts? Calculation is there. देखो DI का the main thing is calculation. You have to be fast at calculation. Correct. ठीक है. Now we'll come to tabular data. Tabular data, see, is so easy. Nothing is to be done here. Tabular data में table is everything is given here. Direct table is given. Let's see the question. Following table gives the percentage of marks. These are not the marks. ऐसा नहीं है 90 में 120 आया है. I'm really sorry. Yeah. Percentage of marks obtained by 7 students. ठीक है. This is not 90 out of 120. This is 90% of 120. Are you getting the point? Numbers in the bracket give the maximum marks. मतलब max का total marks था 150. Ayush is getting 90%. Chemistry का marks था 130. Ayush is getting 50%. Not 50 marks, 50% of marks. ठीक है? The question is, what are the average marks obtained by all 7 students in physics? What do you have to do? Take physics, calculate the marks of Ayush, Aman, Sajal, Rohit, Muskan, Tanvi, Tarun. Take 2 minutes and solve. Jaldi, fatak se. Again, I'm telling you, 90 is not 90, 90 is 90%. Read this, very important. अगर आपने ये 90 करके solve कर दिया, your answer will be wrong. Correct. Tell me the answer now, Venkata. Don't play smart. Tell me the formula. Tell the answer. Use your, do some hard work. Whatever I'm doing, I'm just trying to lighten the mood. Okay, don't feel bad ever. Please solve this. 74% average marks की बात हो रही है. Percentage कैसा आएगा सुप्रजा? Think beta, think. What is the percentage is given? The question is asking about average marks, not average percent. नहीं समझ में आ रही है? अरे यार, so easy. Ayush, 90% of 120. Then Aman, 80% of 120. So can you see every time 120 by 100 will be common? Yes or no? क्या सब बता सकते हैं हाँ या ना? Will 120 by 100 be common in all the cases, 7 cases? Yes or no? So can I write total equals to 120 by 100 common and then add the marks? 90, 80, 70, 80, 85, 65 and 50. 120 by 100 into 170, 240, 320, 4, 320, now 4, 460, 470, 520. 0, 0, 0, 0. 52 into 12. This is the total marks and we have to find the average. So divided by 7. Answer. Let's take the answer. 520% of 120. देखो 520% of 120 by 7. 89.14. Yes, correct. Very good, Kanishka. All of you understood? Yes or no? So easy? बताइए sir, ma'am. Easy or not? The main thing is to remember that the given thing was not mark, it was percentage. Now, aggregate of marks obtained by Sajal in all the subjects. Again, don't find percentage, marks you have to find. Aggregate means total. Find the total marks. Can you? I hope you can. Sajal ना क्या बोल रहा है 90% of 150 plus 60% of 130 plus 70% of 120 plus 70% of 100 plus 90% of 60 plus 70% of 40. Now I am not going to do mehnat. I am going to tell you the final answer. 449. Clear? Batao, yes or no? Any doubts? Anyone? Is it clear to all? Yes or no? No, sir. Parth, not clear. Acha, no doubt. बताओ. So we are done with all our classes. We have tried to cover most of the topics in these 3 days. I hope all of you were able to at least grab something or the other in the past 3 days. I wish you all the best for your exams, for your interview. I hope all of you crack it. Okay. And yeah, one more thing. Someone asked me something, right? Let me give it to them first. One sec. Yes. So Parth, you asked me my LinkedIn ID, right? This is my LinkedIn ID. You can go through my sessions again. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, related to any question. We'll also be uploading practice sheet on the LMS portal. You can go through those practice sheets and ask me doubts if you have. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for being there. I hope all of you enjoyed. Practice well. Crack your interviews. Be confident. The most, I guess, in the soft skill training, they might have taught you this, right? Be confident in whatever you answer. Let it be aptitude, let it be your interview, let it be your PR, personal round, or any round. Okay. Be confident while you're answering. Thank you so much, guys. It was nice meeting you all. Have a great night. Thank you so much. Bye.
Yeah, thank you so much for such a wonderful sessions. So guys, if you have any query or question, please drop in the chat box. We'll be there for 2 more minutes. Attendance form, sir. So guys, I already informed that today there is no any attendance form. I already shared the 3 links with you. One is a career counseling form, one is a webinar, and another is the training program Master in Data Science. So if you are looking for a career counseling from ExcelR industry experts, so I'm sharing that link once again with you. So please fill that form. साक्षी शिंदे saying, सर पाइथन का सर्टिफिकेट नहीं आया. साक्षी, पाइथन के सर्टिफिकेट रोल आउट किए हैं सबके. I hope your attendance is less than 60%. That's why you not received that. So do one thing, drop an email to edl@excelr.com. Our team will check your attendance and let you know. Yeah, sir, is it CRT course completed? Yes, today is the last day. Anything else, guys? Tomorrow lecture, what's the time? Neha, tomorrow there is no any lecture. So our next webinar is on Sunday, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And the webinar is on IT jobs for non-programmers. There is no any coding like that. Sir, I attended 4 days in the program, but I put the attendance 3 days only. Okay, so there approximately it will be 60%. So no need to worry about that. Then what about the certificates? Okay, guys. So I will explain regarding to the CRT certificates. So those who attended 60 and more than 60% of the session, they will receive their certificate within 7 to 8 working days via registered email ID. Clear, guys? YouTube people, you have any query? If yes, please post in the chat box. Anything else? Quick. No, sir. Okay, thank you so much. So certificate will be given or not? Yes, certificates there. When the next course will start. So webinar is on Sunday and the next training program is going to start from Monday. And the topic is Master in Data Science. Galla Rakesh certificate, sir. I didn't get you. Can you elaborate? Which certificate are you looking for? Mohammad Daga, clear? I hope I answered your question. Thank you. You're welcome. Sir, certificate, how will you send? So guys, simple process there. If your attendance is more than 60%, we are going to share your certificates, digital copy of certificate to your registered email ID. You just simply need to download the certificate. That's it. So they clear? Okay. Thank you, sir. You're welcome, Sudhir. Supraja, thank you, sir. You're welcome, Supraja. Guys, we are enjoying the session, right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Payal. Thank you, Supraja. Thank you, Rakesh. Okay, I think there is no any query or question. So guys, thank you so much all of you for joining the session. So we'll meet you on upcoming webinar and training program. I hope all of you will be there.